Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make some delicious Chipotle chicken tacos. In case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for the recipe we're going to need 3 pounds of chicken, Queso Oaxaca, 1/4 of a small white onion, 3 minced garlic cloves, Chipotle and Adobo sauce, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, tortillas, and all of our spices that I will link in the description box. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Okay, so first we're going to start by marinating our chicken. So I already cleaned out my chicken and cut it to thin slices. So now we're going to add all of our spices. Just make sure that you rub the chicken with all of the spices. Okay, into that we're going to add our minced garlic and chipotle. Okay, so I'm using about 3 chipotles and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of the adobo sauce. So we're going to add our onion, just chop it into small pieces, along with the vinegar and olive oil. So now just coat your chicken. And of course, just make sure that your hands are nice and clean or use gloves. Okay, so after 30 minutes, we can get ready to cook our chicken. Okay, so now we're going to get a parrilla or skillet. We're going to set it on medium-high heat and we're going to wait for it to heat up. Okay, and once it heats up, we're going to place our chicken and we're going to cook it for 4 minutes on each side. Okay, so after 4 minutes, we're going to flip our chicken over and we're going to allow it to cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, so after 4 minutes, we're going to remove our chicken from the skillet. Okay, so we're going to cover it with foil and we're going to allow it to rest for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, we can repeat the same process to the rest of our chicken. Okay guys, so after 5 minutes, we're going to chop our chicken. And of course, you can shred it as well. But I'm just going to chop it into small bite-sized pieces. Okay, so once we have our chicken all nice and chopped, now we are ready for the fun part. Okay, so I'm going to get my comal and I'm going to set it on medium heat. And to that we're going to add our Queso Oaxaca. And once it begins to melt, we're going to place a tortilla. And just allow it to melt to the tortilla. Okay, and then we're going to flip it over. I'm going to add a little bit of oil to crisp my tortilla. And I'm just going to repeat the same process to all of my tortillas. Okay, so once our tortillas are nice and crispy, we're going to remove them from the skillet. And I'm just going to place them in my taco holder. Okay, and now we're just going to repeat the same process and then we can get ready to dress our tacos. Okay, so we're going to add our chicken and you add as much as you want. Make sure you stuff them. I'm going to add some lettuce, some pico de gallo, and drizzle some crema mexicana, some queso fresco, and of course, our delicious salsa de árbol. And just like that, now we are ready to enjoy our delicious Chipotle chicken tacos. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that these tacos are seriously so flavorful, super easy to make. So I hope you give them a try and enjoy them just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Seriously, the best. So good. Super delicious. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make some delicious Chipotle chicken tacos. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.